sense the heat of the battery, and stop was limited to how much for 800 milliamp hour batteries can provide. Back here it's 28 volts DC aircraft power, but there's a converter to and from that in USB power, which is like 3 volts, 5 volts, or something USB-C of the Pico board, to 5 volts in power conversion to 28 and 9 volts back and forth, so it charges once you disconnect it. Detects ground power, and you could just take the modules in here, put in a bigger enclosure like 4 modules, and then just build something much more advanced like a rover or something with more batteries in it or something, or have 2 of these on your train and triple the batteries because you can have the only auxiliary connections to the back or from the battery module. Essentially, we have like the battery module and the battery converter module that connects that to your to the outside world. It's like daisy chain at 9 volts, because all the digital stuff will use like 9 volts nominally with possibly a converter somewhere. I haven't made that detail because it needs to work with some growth boards that will make everything, but possibly we'll have like a maybe sort of radar here that like has more than one output, one sensing thing, and you can switch between them and kind of detect shapes and stuff and make pretty advanced stuff in this game. I'm gonna move your Megazord, the one I showed everybody. This goes up and down.